Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Firebase Cloud Messaging, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Visit the Firebase website by entering firebase.google.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Go to Console button in the upper right corner. Click on the button to access the Firebase console. If you already have a Google account, enter your credentials to log in. If you do not have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After logging in, you will see the Firebase console dashboard. In the dashboard, look for the Add Project button. Click on this button to create a new Firebase project. Enter a name for your project in the designated field. Optionally, you can also choose to enable Google Analytics for your project. Once you've made your selections, click on Create Project to proceed. Wait for the project setup process to complete. Afterward, click on Continue to navigate to your project's main page. In the left-hand menu, find the Cloud Messaging option. Click on Cloud Messaging to access the messaging settings. Here, you can manage your notification settings and server keys. To send messages, you'll need to configure a few settings first. Locate the server key section in the Cloud Messaging settings. Copy the server key for use in your application. You may also want to configure sender IDs if needed. With these details, you can start integrating Firebase Cloud Messaging into your app. Next, follow the Firebase documentation for code examples and integration steps. Return to the Firebase console anytime to monitor your messaging usage. You're now set up to start using Firebase Cloud Messaging in your applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.